Hi! This is for people who are finding it hard to reach potential customers and boost sales for their products and services. To become successful, you need proper information that is proven and tested, as well as keeping you in good shape and saving you from losing your time and money. Introducing you to Internet Marketing 2019-20 Training Guide. This step-by-step topic-by-topic training guide will take you by the hand and teach you how to create engaging and profitable internet marketing campaigns to boost leads, sales, and profits in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This is what is included in this training guide and exactly what you are going to learn. Chapter 1. What is Internet Marketing in 2019-20 all about? What people struggle with when trying to understand Internet marketing is how to actually do Internet marketing, and there are a lot of methods out there. Chapter 2. Optimizing your website for search engines in 2019-20. In this lesson, we are going to show you how you can optimize an existing website from scratch. We will use WordPress as our content management system of choice because it allows to make optimizations on the fly without coding or website design experience. Chapter 3. Creating blog posts that attract organic traffic. Blogging is one of the most important elements of internet marketing because it helps you to achieve several goals, such as attracting qualified organic traffic to your website, increasing your site's authority, and improving exposure for your brand. Chapter 4. How to get your YouTube marketing videos on the first page of search results. There's a lot of competition on YouTube, and it can be quite hard to get the exposure you need to grow. But with this powerful trick, you'll be able to outrank all other videos targeting the same keywords you do. Chapter 5. How to compose killer social media marketing posts in 2019-20. Chapter 6. Amplify your reach with a paid Facebook marketing campaign. Chapter 7. Generating qualified website traffic with a Google Ads campaign. Chapter 8. How to create a powerful email marketing campaign. Chapter 9. Recovering abandoning visitors with free marketing. Chapter 10. Generating more sales leads on autopilot with a Facebook Messenger bot. Chapter 11. How to funnel more qualified leads and referral traffic to all your marketing channels with a giveaway. Chapter 12. Building a complete internet marketing plan. Chapter 13. Alternative internet marketing methods that make instant money. Chapter 14. Internet marketing strategies for e-commerce enthusiasts. Chapter 15. Internet marketing best practices. Chapter 16. Advanced internet marketing tips and tricks that work. Chapter 17. Internet marketing do's and don'ts in 2019-20. Chapter 18. Internet marketing premium tools and services to consider. Chapter 19. Internet case studies. Chapter 20. Internet marketing frequently asked questions in 2019-20. To get a copy of this training guide, just press the link below.